こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. 今日は皆さんの大好きな、あれを作りたいと思います。アメリカ人も日本人も世界中のみんなが大好きなあれ。I'm gonna demonstrate how to prepare that dish that everybody loves. Japanese, American, the rest of the world, everybody likes. That is Buta no Kakuni. Buta means pork. Kakuni, Kaku means square. Niru, simmer. So pork belly, simmered pork belly cut into like a square shape with Daikon radish.It's a Japanese home cooking, but also very popular izakaya menu. Izakaya is like a tapas, Japanese style tapas bar. So you drink and then eat place. And izakaya popular menu. And I used to work for very fancy American restaurant as a cook. And one time I cooked Buta no Kakuni for chef and cooks employees meal, waitress and waiter, and they were so impressed. They loved it. They got so excited. So I'm gonna share this recipe with you. And it's very simple. You just need patience. It takes a long time. We're gonna simmer over low heat for a long time. And it's a double cooking. So first you cook pork with ginger and green onion.with water. Then later add the seasoning. So let's see how to prepare everybody's favorite Buta no Kakuni. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. This is a recipe for 4 serving for Buta no Kakuni. You need 2 pounds of pork belly, 4 slices of ginger, skin on.And green part of 1 bunch of green onion, 10 inch of daikon radish, 4 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of sake, 5 tablespoons of mirin,5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of sugar. So everything 5 tablespoons. And 4 soft boiled eggs. First peel daikon and cut into quarter, so half and half.And cut into 1 inch size. So cut into quarter and cut into 1 inch width. In a medium size pot, heavy bottom pot, place lots of water and add daikon, pork belly, ginger, sliced ginger, green onion, and first over the high heat, cook until it starts boiling. And once it starts boiling, remove the bubble over the water.This process is called akunuki, and purpose is to remove the smell and bitterness in the soup. And lower the heat to medium low and cook about 20 minutes. So after akunuki, turn down the heat to medium low and cook 20 minutes over medium low heat. And after 20 minutes, remove daikon.Take out the just daikon And over the medium-low heat, cook another 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes of cooking, take out the pork belly and cut into your favorite size. Clean the pot and then put the pork belly back in the pot. So at this point, no daikon. We're gonna add daikon later. So 4 cups of water. Add 4 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of mirin, 5 tablespoons of sake, and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And first you cook over high heat, and once it starts boiling, turn down the heat to medium-low heat and place the aluminum foil lid over the meat. This is called otoshi buta. Otosu means drop. Futa, buta, futa is a lid. So drop lid. And the purpose is to cook it evenly. And cook 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, add daikon and place back the otoshi buta, aluminum foil lid, and then this time cook another 1 hour over medium-low heat. And after 1 hour of cooking, buta no kakuni is ready to serve. After cooking a long time over low heat, simmering, pork belly gets really nice and soft and juicy, and fat part, it melts. So it gets kind of clear color. Daikon is nice and soft too. And add some eggs, boiled eggs, soft boiled egg. Add some soup. And this is very important. Japanese mustard, karashi, it's called karashi. It tastes different from American mustard. It's more spicy. And buta no kakuni is ready to serve.